Hello, welcome back to my channel.
I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
That's right.
I am Groot.
No! No, that's the button that will kill everyone! Try again.
Well, I am Abhilash from Tech. Today I am going to review about W26 Plus smartwatch. iWatch Series 6 look-alike smartwatch. Oh, not this one. This is Amazfit watch. So this is how the watch looks like. This watch looks exactly like Apple iWatch Series 6. On the right side of the device, there's a rotating knob as well as pressing button. Surprisingly, it is working fine. Even the strap design is also same as Apple iWatch. These are some of the watch faces that are provided by watch itself. There are 8 watch faces provided. All watch faces looks great. On the back there's a charging dock station and bunch of sensors. The watch costs about nearly 2000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, that's it. Only 2000 rupees. Below 2000 actually. If you come to heart rate sensor, let me check once. This is the interface of heart rate sensor application. The design of this watch is very good. In fact, if someone sees the Apple Watch first time, they will believe this is the original one. What I am saying is they made a very good clone of Apple Watch. It says my heart rate is 83 beats per minute. You can also see histories as well. This is how the sleep tracking interface looks like. You can view history. D sleep means deep sleep, L sleep means light sleep. Wait, there's also a temperature sensor. Let's see. In future, these fake companies will integrate 3 BHK house in watch itself. It says 37 degrees Celsius. I mean, who gives with this kind of specification under 1800 rupees? You can use stopwatch, camera shutter button, calendar. There are plenty of applications provided in this watch. But surprisingly, interface of every application looks great. At least you should give appreciation for that. Except attached bathroom, you can expect everything in that watch. Pedometer, ECG, heart rate, temperature, everything is there for just 2000 rupees. Now let's play some music. This smartwatch has inbuilt speaker. If you connect it to your smartphone, you are not only controlling the playback. In fact, you can play the song in your smartwatch with its own speaker. But the speaker of this watch sounds horrible. In fact, there is no onboard storage for this watch, so you can't push some music or any other files to this watch. You can even take calls. This is speaker inbuilt and as well as microphone. This is how the pop-up of messages looks like. If someone sends you a message, it shows 2 options, view or cancel. If you want to view, you can view in this watch. This is how it looks like. Earlier I told that this smartphone has speaker as well as microphone, so you can able to make and receive the call. I dialed the number, immediately it starts to ring. This is how you can use phone application. You can easily make calls, view messages, and it is visible fine. The font size are big enough. Anyone could view the messages. So what do you expect for 2000 rupees? And there are 15 plus exercise modes as well. If you come to sports mode, there's a walking, running, cycling, climbing, basketball, badminton, table tennis, and last but not least football. There are plenty of them. The algorithm is not that great. If you shake the hand, it will count as one step. There's a compatible application called M-Active. You can install on that Android. You can't use it on some iPhone devices. Yes, this is a clone of Apple Watch, but you can't use in iPhones. because there is no appropriate application in the Apple device. So this is how the M Active application looks like. There's a 4 tab: Home, Sports, Device, Mine. On Device tab you can find your device. On Mine tab you can give some of the permission to your smartwatches. If you come to Home section, there are plenty of tabs. These are all the track record of your previously did workouts, heart rate, ECG activities, etc. Yes, even you can check your ECG as well in this smartwatch. That's funny, right? For under 2000 rupees? Yes, that's funny to me. Just a calculator, phone call, message, everything is there. But at least some of the applications like calendar, calculator, smartwatch will work great. This is how the interface of calculator looks like. This is surely usable. If you come to ECG section, you need smartphone to check the ECG. I didn't put my finger on the sensor correctly. Somehow it is showing. The graph is providing on the smartphone. You can see that. Check from application side. It says on the watch. This is how the output of ECG looks. So step counter, heart rate, ECG, temperature, are they real? Nah, that's all fake. It gives some random numbers. I compared heart rate with this smartwatch. I'm using Amazfit watch. It shows very different number in both the device. Maybe this is accurate enough. When you compare to that, the build quality of the watch is very good. If you want to buy smartwatch that looks like Apple Watch, and this is for you. Even the strap is removable exactly like Apple Watch. The body of the smartwatch. On the left side there is a speaker grill. On the right there is a rotating button with microphone. On the back there is a power docking station. Everything is doing their job perfectly fine, except the sensors. As I told earlier, you can't expect more.
I am Groot. I am Groot.
Okay, that's enough, Groot.
I am Groot.
You can even attend a call. What do you expect more? If you want to buy, I will give link in the description box below. Please do check. The display quality is very good. Even under the bright sunlight, it is visible. There is some code *993646633#. This code will lead you to engineering mode, device audio mist. You can change the tone of the smartphone. There are plenty of ringtones that you can change. You can change audio enhancement setting and other type of setting in this engineering mode. For 2000 rupees, we can't ask more. If you want to make a call, use a calculator. This device is for you. If you want it for exercise purpose, this is fake. Don't use this. Well, that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.